gaming console connected to the internet? If it is, you're probably playing online video games and seeing all kinds of videos that you can catch on the net, and it's a really kind of fun thing to have in your home. I know that when you have this set up, that there are certainly some limitations you might have when you're when you're using it. For instance, you may have to keep your game console very close to your router, because if you're connected wired through your Ethernet cable, you'll have to connect the router and the gaming console together in a sort of a limited space. Additionally, if you're using a Wi-Fi solution, there's also sometimes some problems with latency and with other limitations with using wireless. But if your home is wired for coax, I actually may have a solution for you. Conveniently, I happen to have it right here with me as well. The Verizon Coaxial Network Adapter is a solution that you might be interested in, and if you'd like, I can show you how to set it up right now.
First, get the power adapter and plug it into the power port of the network adapter. Plug the other end of the power adapter into an electrical wall outlet. Plug a coaxial cable into a wall coaxial port. Plug the other end of the coaxial cable into the coaxial port on the front of the adapter. Plug one end of an Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port on the front of the adapter. Rolling and action. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port on the back of your gaming console.
Go. And that's how you set up your Verizon Coaxial Network Adapter. Happy gaming.